What's up, y'all? So we're about to go ahead and do the taste test of Miss Netta and Charles seasoning. So the steak was cooked with the buck and beef. This chicken right here was cooked with the all 8 salt, pepper, garlic seasoning, and this one was cooked with the kicking chicken. The cooking tutorial will be posted on my backup page, so y'all go follow my backup page. I'm gonna leave the tag below. Now I ain't gonna lie to y'all. The seasoning, the kicking chicken is too thick. Too thick. All of it, really. You know what? Come on, let's taste it. Let me move this to the side. Okay. Just the steak cooked in the buck and beef. Just not bad. The buck and beef not bad. Would I use it all the time? But it's not bad. It's not nasty. Now the salt, pepper, garlic chicken. Nope. Fuck no. Now the clucking chicken blend. She said she fried her chicken and her chicken turned out crispy gold, but mine ain't turned out like that. And my grease was the same temp for these. This one turned out gold and pretty. This one didn't. I don't know. And I fried these first, so I can't say you can't say the grease was burnt because these would have been burnt. If you're gonna get anything, get the buck and beef, because that's not bad. But them other 2 seasonings, they are no-go. I wouldn't use them to cook with. I don't know. I'm going to let JT try it on his own page and tell y'all if he like it. He outside in the car, so he don't hear my review. And I'm not going to post it until after he make his video. And that don't pair well with Heinz 57 sauce. So if you use the buck and beef, use it, I don't know. Try it for yourself.